Memory. What is computer memory? Data which is stored on a hard disk can be permanent, while data in RAM is only temporary. Normally, when people talk about memory in relation to a PC, they are talking about RAM. RAM, Random Access Memory, RAM, is the main working memory used by the computer. When the operating system loads from disk, when you first switch on the computer, it is copied into RAM. The original IBM PC could only use up to 640 kilobyte of memory, just over half a megabyte, whereas a modern computer can effectively house as much RAM as you can afford to buy. Commonly, modern computers are supplied with over 128 megabytes of RAM. As a rough rule, a Microsoft Windows-based computer will operate faster if you install more RAM. When adverts refer to a computer having 128 megabytes of memory, it is the RAM which they are talking about. Data and programs stored in RAM are volatile.
ROM, read-only memory, as the name suggests, is a special type of memory chip which holds software which can be read but not written to. A good example is the ROM BIOS chip, which contains read-only memory software. Often network cards and video cards also contain ROM chips. ROM BIOS, the read-only memory basic input-output system chip, is a chip located on the computer system motherboard, which contains software. This software performs a variety of tasks. When you first switch on the computer, the ROM BIOS software performs a self-diagnostic to check that the computer is working okay. This software then loads your operating system from the disk into the RAM.
Measurement of storage capacity. Bit. Computer are digital. This means they work by processing ones and zeros. The basic one or zeros is called a bit of information. Byte. There are 8 bits in a byte. Kilobyte. There are 1,000 bytes in a kilobyte. Megabyte. There are a million bytes in a megabyte. Gigabytes. There are 1,000 million bytes in a gigabyte. Terabyte. There are a million bytes in a terabyte.